Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming, Robert. Why don't you speak louder? You're always mumbling.
Oh, this is what we're gonna do today.
Okay, what's going on today?
Today we are installing the window.
Well, we're gonna try to. Come along, my friend.
So today's plan is to installing the window, but what we don't have the clamp ring
Or the
trim ring. So we will make a frame around it from the wood. Now you see here this little edge, and when you put the framing like this, it's still there's like kind of space there, right? So what I want to do is cut kind of gap in so it kind of sits in there.
It nestles right in.
That's right, Shay. So we have a sink and counter here. So it's gonna go in here, only from other side, of course.
So we painted the edges because we didn't know how to get a perfect frame. So we painted them, and we're just gonna push it down onto the plywood, see if it makes a nice shape.
Oh yes.
There we go. Now,
Can't believe we did that.
no. The window looks quite small in comparison to the rest of the van. The truck. But yes, this is it for today.
So we are back at the window, and we're gonna do some silicone around the window from inside, and then we're gonna put a frame around it and frame it in. So let's get to it. What I want to do now is put more caulking and then put a frame in it.
And this is how it looks for now. Window. How angry he is. Hi guys, in this episode I'm going to install a roof vent into the ceiling. And I bought it online and it's a really good vent. Here I'm holding the outline and I actually put the outline on the ceiling and I put 2 dots for guidance so I can screw some holes in so I can have some guidance when I jump on the roof like a monkey and try to cut out a big ass hole for this roof vent. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe down below. Thank you. Okay.
Here I am on the roof, and these are 2 holes that I drilled from the inside, so I know where exactly it needs to be, and then I'm gonna drill it. Put a hand on that one.
Oh my god.
Put your knees on this one. On this one. Yeah, knees on this one. No, that's the cables. Come here.
Stop.
What?
Stop pulling me.
You said you're not scared from heights.
I'm afraid of this ceiling. I don't think it's gonna hold.
Yeah. Oh, really? Yeah, I understand.
Hello.
The beams from the inside. I'm gonna cut them too. We take the greaser. I'm gonna clean everything around it. The same thing we want to do on a vent. Then we take this special tape, what is made for roofs, for RV roofs, and let's tape it down first. It's in. Beautiful. we first made a little frame around the vent, because once you put the vent from the roof in, you want kind of frame under it, so when you screw it in, it's not only screws in the aluminum sheet what you have on the roof, but as well kind of frame what is under it. So in this case, this would be the wood frame. You will see. Voila!
Voila!
Well, that looks pretty. I know. I know, it's not the best caulking there is, but it is what it is. Back inside, and it really starts looking good. Nice. Oh, I'm happy about today. Right on. And that was today's video. How to put a window and a vent. See you on the next one.